Okie dokie, here we go. We got Hornady's Critical Defense 45 Colt. Gonna do a quick flour and rice little expansion test here, see how they're doing, shooting through the 1873 Pistolero, I believe. I do believe. But here we go, and there you are. Flour, rice, and doing the catch. Real quick, this is about 10 yards, roughly. Alright, let's see if we can find some bullets. Flour's decimated. Yeah, we did punch the rice twice, so that's nice. Got one right at the start, one that went low. Yep, we got the second one. Gene's behind it. A little disappointed. We'll take it back to the table. Alright, and a little sunny. But here we go. Got the Hornady Critical Defense going through the Pistolero 45 Colt, long Colt, however you want it. We can give it to you. Going through the flour and rice expansion. A little bit disappointing on these bullets. You know, I did on the snubby standard, shooting it through the judge, and had people always comment, well, that bullet's designed to go through a little bit longer barrel. You got the gap in the cylinder and this and that, you know, to keep it from doing what it's supposed to do. And here we are shooting it through a Pistolero, through a Cimarron, and we pretty much ain't getting nothing different on these bullets. They're not really doing what they're supposed to do. It's 185 grain FTX. Let's just see what, I mean, technically I don't think that would even count as opening up past the base. 0.42 when you got the base going on is 0.44, 0.44. You probably can't see it, but I'll read it off to you. That one I ain't even gonna bother with. So let's just see what we got on the weight. I'll probably gain weight since there's flour on there. 185.2. And let's see what this other one is. 180. It's still hanging around 180. Well, 186.8. So we actually gained weight because of the flour on there. Like I said, disappointing. It is definitely not the picture. I mean, does it say on here the test barrel link? I'll see if it says it online. What the test barrel is. Test barrel's probably 6 inches or whatever. So I mean, it should have done something. Definitely should have done something more than that. But there you go, and there you are. As always, thanks for watching.